Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Thursday to you. Know I'm late, man. But y'all know I'm in Arizona, so 3 hours behind y'all. Had a timeshare review meeting. It was an hour, so I had to go there and all that there. That's why I'm late. But you still put these trades in, these buy limit orders. So the market was red. See, now it's green anyway. So probably wouldn't have brought anything. Most everything I got is on recurring investments on $1, $2 worth on things I really just want to buy every day, whether it's red or green. But still put buy limit orders in on things. Y'all make sure y'all watch my Cash App short I do every day on Cash App. Even if you don't trade on Cash App, I got certain stocks that I don't have in this portfolio here. I don't have positions in this portfolio. You can still get those plays and come and buy it in this Robinhood portfolio or whatever portfolio you use outside of here. I'm quite sure everybody got more than one brokerage company they trade with, especially if you're a serious trader. But anyway, you can get those plays and those stocks and bring them in over here. So anyway, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch recent videos from my channel. Also, let's get to it. All right, Meta. I got this in both portfolios. Meta got down today to 577.07, but it crept right back up to I think it was 612 or 621 last time I checked. Let's see what it is now. I know on the Eastern time zone, it is, where the market closed, it is 420 there. It's at 628.37. I'm up 6.16%. This is actually a portfolio that I swing trade in. I got a long position in my other one, which is my Cash App. Think about going to take that 103.89 because it has a habit of hitting that 630 and bouncing back down to the 580ish range. So I'm going to see what I'm going to do there. But I put a buy limit order in on my Cash App portfolio there. Next we're going to go with MSFT Microsoft. It's down to 373.35 today. Got down to 373.35. That's what I put my buy limit order in that. Where am I at right now? 398. Was gonna add a piece on at this price. I like to catch it buying a fractional share when it's lower. But anyway, I'm at the time right now anyway. But that's why I went in. If you want to buy a whole another share, ACHR, I'm swing trading this one. Is Arca Aviation, doing a swing trade / day trade, and also keeping some for the future. Buy limit orders $4.76. My selling price for all these shares I'm buying right now is going to be at $5.35. I'm accumulating right now like 5 shares a day. Got a sell order right here for some of them. $5.35, 327 shares. So buying that every day. Got an average cost of $5.09, well $5.03. Thought it was 509, but 503. So not that bad. I was buying and selling it, making small profit, small gains, but basically doing it to lower my average cost. So ain't not perfect right now. Got a 52-week low of 461. So definitely catch this 480 and under. Go ahead and grab a piece. Boom. That stock in my Cash App. Go watch the video. Got to position this next stock in my Cash App. You go watch that video. It's only a short, under like 2 minutes and 58 seconds. All it is, get your pens and paper and just write down the stocks. CHMI. Gonna go in at $2.26. I'm gonna hit a swing trade. I'm gonna let this rip at $2.86. Waiting on some good earnings to come out. Those pay a dividend of 10 cents a share every quarter. Right now, I'm not loading up. I'm just getting like 2 to 5 shares a day. That's all I'm doing. $2.26. Just add on to my position. Thinking it should be around the 52-week low. It's 224 if I'm not mistaken. 217 is 17.62% dividend yield. Boom Boom GSBD. I gave y'all this when I swing traded this one. Not last week, the week before last. I sold at $9.46. Just to show y'all the receipts. I sold at $9.45, 385 shares. At $9.45. I only buy this at like $8.90 and under. But while you're holding it till it get to the price, your desired price that you want to sell at, your sell price, you're gonna get that dividend. Just pays a nice dividend. Got like a 14% dividend yield, 14.33 payout every quarter. So I did made a new 52-week low today. This all this does. It hit about that $9.50 mark and come right back down below $9. Accumulate now. In the next quarter next dividend date come. Is when it's gonna shoot back up. People gonna want to buy for that dividend. So got down to 836 though. I'm gonna get 100 shares at that price. Go back down there and touch it. I'm gonna leave that there. We got Earn, 8 cents a share, EARN, 8 cents a share every month. Definitely a nice one to have for cash flow. Can go in at $4.36. I've been gobbling up these shares. Got my average cost down to $4.52. I'm going at $4.36. Add me another 5 shares onto it, 4.36. Next we're gonna go at ticker WMT. Walmart, one of my favorite buy and hold stocks. 106.67 it got down to. Got a 52-week high, like $135. So definitely trading at a discount right now. Definitely buying up Walmart, PSEC, Prospect Capital, BDC. Going at $2.19. Notice pay 3.5 cents a share every month. As you can see here, I got a payment coming for July 22nd, $138.73. ORC came on down to 666. Definitely like that at below that 660-ish mark. I thought I had a buy limit order at that mark. This pay 10 cents a share every month. See, I got a dividend payment coming there. Anyway, gonna go set that at 666. Accumulate me some more shares. I ride it on down from there on out. I got my average calls down to like 689 or 698. Now I go check in a minute. 6.65. I won't set that there. Another one, PMT. Came below the $10 mark. Just had the ex-dividend date. Gonna get 40 cents a share. I had a sell limit order, but I put it in too late. Had it at 11:38. To make a sale of some shares here, but it's all good. I'm gonna go in today at 9.98. Accumulate me a couple more shares below that $10 mark. Got that cash flow up. Gonna make my exit at 11:38. It's gonna be my get out price. MSTR MicroStrategy. 92.83 it got down to. Can't do nothing. Not gonna buy a full share at this price, but I'd have brought that Fractional shell market close, and like I said, coming in late, $93, still not bad. The average cost of 102 got down into like $82, $84 range for the 52-week low. Like I say, Microsoft right now, I'm not worrying about that right now. That's a long-term 2030 play, just like Bitcoin is. Everything I got, I'm keeping. See where it's going to be then. We'll go with YMAX going at $7.87. I like YMAX at $8 and under. Pays a dividend every week. I get 5 shares a day at the $8 and under mark. That's the only time I buy it is when it pulls back. Got a dividend coming this week, $106.30. Price down, the lower the price, the lower the dividend payout. Anyway, gonna go in and buy some at $7.87. All right, we're gonna go with YMAG. Options on the Magnificent 7. Gonna scoop some up at 11.40 today. We'll get 1 share, buy a share every day at these prices. Also got YMAG on $2 recurring. Alright, boom, boom. Make sure y'all watch a Cash App video. Looking at 2 stocks right there. You got to go over there to figure them out. Not going to give them to you on this channel. Alright, we're going to go with ABR, $4.87. Definitely take advantage of this. It pays 17 cents a share every quarter. Reduce the dividend from 30. It's another one I'm on the swing trade. All this take is, like I said, you get 1 quarter good earnings. This is going to shoot up and run. Just want to lower my average cost, be in the driver's seat until then, and get the dividend while I'm waiting. Boom, boom. Those in another portfolio in Cash App. Go check it out. Keep on mentioning it every time I go buy a stock on my watch list for the day that I have in my Cash App portfolio. I hit one, didn't mean to. Vici is one of them. Got blessed by a mistake there. But go watch the video. NFLX, you're going to go with Netflix. Down to 74.02. This one you can put on recurring every day. Going in $1 a day, $2, $5 a day. Netflix not going nowhere. 52-week high, 128.96. And you might want to pair with NFLY. This one of your single stocks. Just got down to $7.89. Pays a dividend every week also. Going to touch some at $7.89. Pick up me a couple. And another one been getting hit hard, PFLT. They made a new 52-week low today. 71% buy, 29% hold. Last month, trading pattern been coming on down. I got it on $2 a day recurring. So let it just do its thing. And we can check our traps, even though after Market, you got the prices. Redwood Trust I was giving y'all. This been up for the last couple of days. I got this on $2 a day recurring also. Why do I like it? 15.16% yield. 52-week high, 697. Market cap, not all that, but it's a nice, reliable stock there. If I was on the dividend cuts and stuff, going to roll through the portfolio real quick, see what else here. And I mean, market already done for the day, but you can still go set your buy limit orders, especially on your Cash App portfolio. For y'all that do follow me and trade with the Cash App, they got benefits because you can set a buy limit order on a fractional share. That's why I like it. So all those expensive $300 stocks and $100 plus stocks, you can just get you set a buy limit order on a fractional share at your desired price and set it and forget it. And hit it or touch it, it would notify you. And if not, it'll sit there good for 90 days. Only downside of Cash App, you can't trade in after hours. So after 4 o'clock, like now, you can trade in Robinhood. Can't do that with Cash App. USOI oil stock down 2.5% today. Guess they must have got stuff straight with the Strait of Hormuz. XOMO options on Amazon down. So guess they must have figured out something. I know he was still bombing after he said the ceasefire. But if you can look at the pattern of these stocks, they was down and up. All of them got the same similar pattern. So everything looking good, like people put money back into the market, which is great. So that's good if you can cash up, get your dividends, and chill on out. Nothing wrong with a green day. You can always cash up on those kind of days. SoFi is up. If you can buy 15, 16 and under and sell at 19 with SoFi, possibly 20. Rinse and repeat is catching hell, getting past the $20 mark. My last sell limit order, I got in out at like 1950. 1950 I sold at. I'm gonna go to rechart it and do the same. I got 2 positions. I got one in my Cash App portfolio also. That's gonna be my long haul one. 1306. Just looking at the last week, Bitcoin on its way back up, trying to go back up. Another one I like, cashing up just in case it pulled back to that $56,000, $55,000 range. That really should be it. I guess it's at the market, nothing else that really going on. Trying to hit that lick on ACHR, which is Arca Aviation. Got that at 535. What it's got up to today, 494. Got the buy limit order in. Eight shares. Yep, that's it, man. Enjoy your day. I got some tickets to the Phoenix Mercury versus the Mercury's versus the Indiana Fevers, which is Caitlin Clark. So I'm about to go there. I got some little nosebleed tickets, like $23, just to get in the door. Get a little content on there just to check it out, man. Ain't nothing major. Go hang out downtown Phoenix. Go to Scottsdale afterwards. Come back to the resorts of Peoria, man. About 45 miles away, so it's a little ride. So signing off, man. Go get your money.